Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 45 Melton Road. This lovely mid-terrace property is located close to King's Heath High Street amenities. Okay, then moving into the property, and we have the hallway here going up to the first floor. Then we have two reception rooms. First one here, the front of the property. Where we have a bay window there to the front aspect. And then moving across into the second reception room. And this one here has an aspect across the rear garden. Okay, then moving through into the breakfast kitchen, where we have space for table and chairs. And then we have windows to the side aspect, as well as to the rear, and then a door going outside to the garden. Space for a washing machine, dishwasher, and then there's an integrated cooker with gas hob. And then moving on to the first floor landing, where the steps going to upstairs. And then the first bedroom here, the front of the house. So we have two windows to the front aspect. And a good size double room. Moving across to the second bedroom, which then has an aspect to the rear, overlooking the garden. And then we have a separate toilet. And the bathroom. Okay, and then up at the top of the property, have a nice sized room here with window to the front aspect. And access to storage area, and then we have the stairs going back down to the first floor landing. Okay, and then just moving outside where we have the rear garden and decked area to the far end. And then just looking back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact us as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.